But commodities are back in focus. Manisha is here with what's top of mind. Manisha, good morning.
Thank you for that, Prashant. I'm looking at the crude oil prices, where we did see the prices decline quite sharply in the last month, but that has seen a rebound. So we are off the 8-month lows, and the prices did gain 3.5% in the previous week. So after 5 weeks of decline, we've seen actually prices gain up quite strongly onto that one. It has to do with the positive economic data that we've seen come in from Europe and US. It also has to do with the more and more bets now and higher probabilities of the first rate cut coming in from the US Fed in the month of September. Apart from that, there are supply concerns from Libya's Sharara field, and there is force majeure declared there. And then there are reports suggesting that you could be looking at Iran retaliation on Israel in coming few days. Markets also are looking at the US crude inventories, which have continued to decline quite sharply, now at a 6-month lows there. So when you look at the crude oil prices for the month of July, we did see that huge range of almost $10 between 87 to 78 on the lower side. For the month of August, we picked up from 78. We did see prices go all the way to $80 in the first week of August, but currently we are holding around those 76 kind of levels there. When you look at the Indian crude demand, well, there are all reports suggesting that India will see the max or the highest energy growth marginally coming in going forward. So from 2014 at 3.23 million barrels per day of a consumption, we stand currently at 5.4 with an expectation that we could be at 6.7 by the time it's 2030. If you look at the past 1 week then, and we've seen prices gain up quite strongly there, it's not just about the crude oil prices, but coal prices are trading at a 13-week highs. We've seen 8.5% of growth in the last 1 month itself. Also, when you look at the last 1 week, the gains have been quite strong. Coal, for example, is gained up by 2%. Crude is up 5%. Strong 14% of gains is what natural gas put out. And we've seen 9% of gains come in for the gas prices in the matter of last 1 week itself. This week is going to be important because of two reasons. One, you have the Indian inflation numbers coming in today. And then you also have US inflation, US retail sales data also expected in this week. And the markets would react to that.
All right, Manisha, thank you very much for that. Well, we'll